In terms of keywords, I'll go a level deeper. What you're looking at is a list of all the types of fabrication services and the specific applications. In terms of account structure, we refer to these as campaigns and ad groups. So for each of these 50 or 60 ad groups, there's a list of 15 to 30 keywords that represent the way that someone would look for that service. For example, if someone's looking for a fabricator to make a custom roof access ladder, they might search for roof safety access ladder or custom access ladder fabrication. So we have over 1,000 keywords that are relevant to various types of fabrication, welding, and erection companies, and these allow us to be very efficient and targeted in the type of work we go after for our customers. We use this list basically as a menu. You tell us what type of work you want, and we're going to use our list of keywords to get you that type of work. And if you ask any other marketing company to make a list of relevant keywords for this industry, I guarantee you they won't be able to come up with more than 10% of the keywords that we have. We have the same type of list for engineering firms as well as automation system integrators.